Good morning! We are in Torquay and we're going to visit caves, historic caves, and we're going to visit a nature park along the coast with beautiful views, and then we're going to see this lovely town. So we are in the English Riviera. You see a sign if you enter this town, the English Riviera. So normally it should be nice weather here because it's the English Riviera. And what happens this morning, we wake up and we see blue sky. So maybe we are lucky, or maybe it's always nice weather here. I doubt it, but look at the sun. So yeah, lovely day in Torquay, and maybe this evening we can pick up a game. England is playing the semi-finals. Well, if you see this, you know already the outcome, and it will be like October, November when we launch this vlog. It's every week one, so we have a lot of vlogs. We will show you the ambience if they are winning. I hope they will win. And yeah, lovely day. We nearly arrived at Kents Historic Caves, but first we're going to walk a little bit further to a cafe so we can drink something because it was a hike, and maybe if they have something small to eat. Let's go.
Wow.
So I have a baguette with ham and some vegetables, and we all have some ham, but there's one who needs to take something else.
Me?
Yes. Bon appetit. Look how lovely it is here. You want to go in the swing?
Yeah.
Yeah? I will push.
No.
Then it was time to go underground into the historical caves. So the prehistorical caves were really great, and the guide was really good and really funny. Without being over too enthusiastic, the jokes were really on point. So that was good. Now we're going to do a coast walk, and I hope we will see amazing views with this amazing weather. So yeah, let's do that. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Look at this view. So we have ice cream, you have strawberry, mint,
Raspberry.
strawberry,
Raspberry.
raspberry. Okay, sorry.
Rasp.
Ah, raspberry. Okay, guys, raspberry, and it's why it's not green. You have grass,
Yes.
mint, and then chocolate brownie, and then vanilla. Look at this view. Last year when we were in the center park, and some evening we were eating in Las Iguanas, and there were tapas starters, and it was really good. So from the moment we saw this morning Las Iguanas, we said, oh, that's a good idea for this evening. So we're going to eat tapas there. So there was no availability, but let me say they were not that friendly. They didn't care. They say you can go next door, it's bigger there. You can say helpful, but it was really, was it? Yeah.
Was not the right vibe.
Was not the right vibe, no. And we could order on some table with the QR code, but it was malfunctioning. So we're going to Visto Lounge. They have tapas there, they have burgers there. Let's go, because actually we're really tired. How many kilometers have we walked today?
16.
Oh.
And we still need to get back.
It's not far. But
Just
okay.
2 kilometers.
Let's eat. So we have tapas, garlic bread, sweet potatoes, quesadillas, patatas bravas, chicken wings, and prawns. You have bacon burger. What happened with your burger now?
Tomato.
And there, just a plain burger. Yeah. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Brownie. And churros. So that was really good. We're happy we stopped here, and we wanted to see how England is doing with Holland, but they already made a goal, Netherlands. So they will not be happy. But let's see. It's around the corner with a screen. So we'll see how they're doing. Maybe they will not be so mad. I don't want to be in any riot. We're just walking through the terrace and we hear them screaming, so I guess they scored.